Core Vitals delay, a new tool designed for seamless Magento upgrade, fraud system and new features for multi-channel e-commerce. Watch this video to learn hottest news in e-commerce and how they impact Magento stores. Hi, this is Vladimir with a dose of the latest news in e-commerce. Adobe killed Magento Commerce. Well, not literally. The company announced that an effort to consolidate the names of its licensed products, Magento Commerce, would be called Adobe Commerce. The good news is the Magento open source won't be changing its name anytime soon. Upgrading to the newest versions of Magento is no easy task. You need to make sure that the latest Magento version is compatible with all third-party extensions and your custom code. Magento knows about this problem and doesn't leave sellers without a solution. At the time, the feature is available for Magento Commerce. The company released a new tool called the Upgrade Compatibility tool. Merchants can identify incompatible customizations and integrations before they upgrade. The tool helps businesses to save the money and time on fixing problems after they update, and you won't end up with a site where the half of the functionality won't work because of incompatibility. There is no information about this tool coming on Magento open source right now, but we'll keep you updated. Have you prepared your store for the Core Vitals? Google decided to give more time to the website owners and delayed the rollout of the update. The gradual rollout will start in mid-June. Core Vitals will come into a full force by the end of August. That is a good news for Magento store owners. First, you still have time to prepare your store for upcoming changes. If you want to know about the best optimization techniques, check our interview with Erwin Hoffman. Second, the gradual rollout will soften up the impact of Core Vitals on brands that haven't yet made the necessary changes. At the same time, we don't know what changes will come into force first and what will come into effect second. Thus, you need to optimize your store for FID, LCP and CLS anyway. And if you want to do it quickly, check our solution and optimize your Magento store for Core Vitals under 3 business days. E-commerce sales skyrocketed in 2020. Is it good news, right? Well, not entirely. Together with the boom of the e-commerce, we saw another disturbing trend, an increase in e-commerce fraud. In 2020, account takeover fraud increased by 300%. The buy online pickup in store and curbside fraud increased by 50%. Businesses are losing billions of dollars because of fraudsters and rising customer expectations of online security. Magento partnered with Forta, a popular e-commerce fraud prevention platform. The new partnership will help companies protect their businesses and customers. Merchants can use the provided plugin and give customers confidence that their personal and payment details will be protected. The solution provides a number of tools to prevent different types of e-commerce fraud. If you're looking for a new fraud prevention solution, check the new partner of Magento. And now let's move to GoMage news. Do you sell your products through an online store only? What about multi-channel e-commerce? If you ever wanted to sell on Amazon, eBay and other marketplaces, check our Feed Pro extension for Magento 2. We upgraded it with a number of new features and minor improvements. Now the extension works with the latest Magento version, provides enhanced inventory management for stores with multiple inventory sources, and a simpler FTP configuration process. GoMage Feed Pro automates the process of product uploading to multiple sales channels. You can find more information about the extension and the update on our website. The link is below. Stay tuned for new videos. This month we'll also share new videos about debunking myths circling around PWA. Subscribe to our channel, tap the notification button, and I'll see you soon.